Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the new Nokia 6.1 Plus. So Nokia 6.1 Plus, as you all know, comes under the Android 1 platform. That means Android updates are provided directly by Google, and this will be getting the latest version of Android. And also this has stock Android. So being a stock Android powered smartphone, you don't have too many options of features or additional options included, and this is a pretty basic stock UI, and you might be already knowing that this runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. So in this video, we'll try to show you some of the features available in this UI. So these are some basic features. These are not something hidden or something new. It is available on most of the Android 1 powered smartphones, including other Android 1 powered smartphones. So here we'll try to show some of the basic options which will get the better out of your device. So let's get started. So first up, going to the quick toggles. So here we have the option to edit the quick toggles. So this is a pretty basic option, but still if you want to rearrange the icons available, you can do that. Just click here, and here you can see the option to edit the toggle. So you can just drag and rearrange the options, and you can see if I want to have a data saver or hotspot, you can just drag and rearrange, and then once you're done, you can just go back and this will be available here. So that's the option to quickly rearrange the quick toggles. Now there is an option called screen capture in the toggle. So if we go to the settings or rather quick toggles, you can see the option for screen capture. So select this, and this will actually take a screenshot of your screen. So that's an option. Otherwise you can also go to press the power and volume down key and the power key completely together, and this will again take the screenshot. So that's the option. Now going to the settings panel. So here we have a few options. So there aren't too many options. So one is going to battery. We have this battery saver option. So you can turn on the battery automatically, battery saver at 5% or 15% of the battery. So that's the battery saver option. Then going to the display settings. So here we have a useful option called Nightlight. So Nightlight tints your screen amber, and this will have easier to access the screen and read in dim light, and this is quite useful option. So when you turn this on, you can select the intensity of the night light. So this will reduce the strain in your eyes when you are using the device. Then other than that, this also comes with adaptive brightness, so you can adjust the brightness according to the optimized light. Then this device does not come with LED notification. Instead it has ambient display. So ambient display shows new notifications on the display. Whenever they come, it will light up the display even when the display is turned off, and this will show the notification. Alternatively, when you lift the phone, you can actually see the new notification. So these are the options under the ambient display. Now other than that, there is also option for tap to wake, that is double tap to wake. So if you just double tap on the screen, it will wake up the screen. So that option is also included in the display settings. Now in the display settings, there is also an option for disabling the notch. So this has the status bar style. You can see that there is an option for disabling the notch. If you don't like the notch, you can actually disable it from here. So notch is the first smartphone from Nokia to have this notch. So in case you don't like the notch, you can disable it from here. Now going to the storage. So there is an option to manage the storage via the storage manager. So what it does is it will remove photos either 30 days old or 60 days old or 90 days old. So what it does is it will whenever you have backed up the photos, it will actually delete the photos from the storage, freeing up the storage in case you are running on low storage. So that's the storage manager. Now this device does not come with face unlock. Instead it has a trusted face option. So to enable trusted face, you need to go to smart lock, enter the pin, and you can see the trusted face. So once you have enabled the trusted face, it will actually unlock the device, but you have to swipe on the lock screen to actually go to the home screen now, even if you have added the trusted face. So this is basically not the exact functionality of face unlock, but you still have a basic face unlock using the trusted option. Now going to the system, you have gestures supported. So there are a few gestures supported here. Turn over to reject the call, mute on pickup. So when the call is ringing, you can just pick up the device and that will mute the pickup. The ringing ringtone that will be muted. Then we have a swipe finger on the fingerprint scanner for notifications. So if you just swipe, it will bring down the notifications area. Then jump to camera. That is, quickly press the power button twice to enable the camera. So there you go, that's enabling the camera. Then other than that, there is also lift to check the phone. That means when you lift the phone, it will show the notifications. So that's the lift to check phone. So these are some of the options available in the our settings panel. Now going to the home screen, if you just swipe here, we have the settings. So here we have the option to change the icon shape. So we can see that there are a few options available to change the icon shape. So square, cylinder, all those things are options are available. So just we'll just go to rounded square. So there you go. Now the icons are rounded square. So these are some of the options available in the Nokia 6.1 Plus with Android 1 platform and Android 8.1. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.